a step-by-step guide on how you can use Shein points and how they work. So here, if we open up the Shein app and click on Me, found in the bottom right corner, you should see coupons, points, wallet, and gift card at the top. So right here, if we click on points, you can see all of your points. So how they work, basically every 100 Shein points equals to $1. Now, how can we apply those points? So here, once you have gone to your cart, so for example, here I have a cart, then I can apply points to get a discount for this specific item. Now, if I go to checkout, you can use up to, or you can reduce the amount of the item by up to 70% using your Shein points. In order to apply your Shein points, you need to go here where it says apply coupon, gift card. And if I click on view more, you should see points. Now click on points, and if you have any points right here to apply, you can use them in this section. So Shein points can only be redeemed towards the purchase of products and cannot be used towards shipping costs, taxes, or fees. So like I said, if you have enough Shein points, you can reduce the amount of the item by up to 70% after you click on apply, and that's how you do it. You get Shein points by making purchases. As you can see here, reward 11 points. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.